1% of the healthcare emissions happens in supply chain. And that's where, again, cold chain is the area where like most of the energy is being consumed. So we have to see like how we can reduce that energy consumption and even maintain that particular temperature of the products and the integration of ESG. Hence, the majority of, you can say, the pharma companies like have now making it a target of like having carbon neutral by 2030. In that, there are two pharma companies, it's like Merck and Novartis, like who have already planned that they will be going carbon neutral by 2025. And one company, Pfizer, which has also targeted that they will be reaching carbon neutral by 2030. So most of the pharma companies are targeting to reach that particular direction. And how they are going to do it?